Belly.
And I'm Bumbles.
And together we're
Big Belly Bumbles.
See you later.
Big Belly Bumbles. Hey everybody, this is a pit stop for Steven.
Whoa.
This is Sunday, July.
Whoa.
This is Sunday, July.
Wow.
This is Sunday, July the 20th.
Wow.
And let me just put this in gear here. Oh yeah, that's been making a funny sound every time I put it in gear. See, look, listen. Okay, now I'm going to put it in. Well, I didn't do it that time, but if I'm driving and then I stop and I put it in gear, well, it's been making a funny noise. So anyway, so Steven is making a pit stop just for his laundry. See, he's got his laundry bag. Look at that. He's got his laundry bag. So we're here down where he parks the trailer. This is about 5:30 p.m. No, it's 6 o'clock. What am I talking about? It's 6 o'clock p.m. on Sunday, the 20th of July. And he's literally just making a pit stop, passing through. That's it. He's going to get some clothes washed, and he's going to pick up some laundry that I accidentally left at the house. Look, there's no boats. Empty trailer, no boats. So we got to get some laundry done. Oh, look, there's my shadow. Hold on a second. Can I wave at my shadow? Look at my shadow, everybody. Woohoo. Here, let me try this hand. There's my shadow. So we got to get some laundry done and possibly a bite to eat. And then he's got to get down to Sweetwater, Tennessee tonight. And did she give you any plans about what your loads are going to be like? You got another load lined up?
I don't know when I get there.
Okay, so again, just a pit stop, and we're heading to the house, and that's it. He's going to do some...
Wow. I didn't even know you were coming.
No, it's true.
Wow.
He called...
Wow.
He called me up.
He called me and said, come get me. Wow. Well, okay.
He said, come get me. And I said, does that mean you're in Cerulean?
She says, whoa, okay.
But you're saying just enough to get that laundry done. And
All right. Yep, that's right. I'm not wasting my time sitting here cooking in this truck. So.
Oh, okay. All right.
Have a wonderful day. Have lots of fun. Have a whoa like me. God bless and later.